Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project Garment Shop Management System, and I have developed this project in Java, JSP, and MySQL. The version for the JDK I'm using is the JDK 1.8, and the MySQL version is 5.6, and I'm using the Tomcat version 8 for running this project. But if you have the Tomcat version 7 or Tomcat version 9, then you can also run this project on the Tomcat version 7, 8, and 9. Right. So this is a web-based project. So for front-end development, I'm using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Some of the JPI library I also have used for giving some good effects inside the project, like integration of the date calendar plugins and the form validation. I have used the jQuery plugins, right? So these all technologies I have used for developing this project, the Garment Shop Management System, right? So let's start with the functionality go through. The project title is Garment Shop Management System, and it's a web-based Java, JSP, and MySQL project. It's a mini project and the DBMS project. Mini project because it has only admin functionality, and DBMS project because we have used the MySQL for performing the CRUD applications, right? So let's start with the functionality go through. So this is the home page of the project. You can see this is a simple home page, and there is nothing dynamic on this page. It's a simple static home page, right? This is about page, and this is a static about us page. If you want to change the content of home page and about us page, then just open the about us.jsp or index.jsp, and you can change the content and image there. This is the admin login from where admin will be able to log in. This is a contact us page, and it's a static contact us page. I am not saving the value of this contact us page anywhere into the database. Even I am not sending it any type of email and SMS from this page. So let's log in. So the user ID is admin and the password is test. So once you log in inside the system, you will get the dashboard, right? So you can perform these operations, right? So these menus are also available here. You can see menus are available here, right? So let me go through one by one, right? So this is the dashboard, right, from where you can jump on that module, right? This is the add garment from where we will be able to add any number of garments, right? For adding the garments, you need to select the type, select the company, product name, product units, and the per price and the descriptions, right? So once you enter all of the information, you can save that products into the database, and those products will be saved into a database, and you can check the products into the garment items report section. You can see this is the all of the garments which you added, right? The above all of the buttons are working. If you want to copy it, import the things into the CSV, Excel, PDF, print, then these all options are working. This search option is working. So if you want to search the things, then it's a real time. You can edit it, you can edit it, and you can update the details and save it, right? So this is the add garment item, and this is the garment reports. This is the add cell from where you will be able to add the cells of that garment items, right? So here you need to enter the customer name and the mobile number, right? And if you want to uh, add, then just you can add more garments here. You can remove it also. That's why I'm adding the three garments. So t-shirts and jeans, quantity one unit prices total. Suppose it's a 600 and 100, and suppose 500, and there is a 1, then 600, and it's a 600 again, and the 500. The total items is calculated, total cost is calculating automatically. Once you click on the save cells, then this whole forms will be saved into the database, and you can access those details or later, right? So I am clicking on the save cells, so you can see the details has been saved into the database, and you can get the details here, right? So this is a sales report from where you will be able to find all of the sales, right? If you want to see the sales detail, just click on the view details, and after that you will be able to see the details here, right? So you can see there is a pagination enable here. Means there are two pages, so one and two pages, right? This is, and after that you can also import the full cells into the CSV, Excel, and PDF format, right? This is the logout. So once you click on the logout, then all of the session will be destroyed, and you will not be able to access the internal pages, right? Means you admin will no one will be able to open the add product and add sales space. Let me show you. So once you click on the logout, then all of the session will be destroyed, and you can see there is no administration option is displaying, right? But if you log inside the system, then administration options are displaying, right? So these all functionalities I have developed inside the project garment shop management system. If you need more functionality in this project, just put it into the comment. I will incorporate those changes. I will make this project more better and better according to your requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos on the latest technologies. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.